In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most gracious, to Him belongs the most beautiful names. Today the topic is natural rain. The topic is natural rain. The topic is
Natural rain.
the topic is
Natural rain.
rain,
Rain.
drops,
Drops.
glisten,
Listen.
glisten
Listen.
on leaves,
On leaves.
on leaves
On leaves.
and flowers,
Flowers.
like a diamond,
Like a diamond.
like a diamond.
Like a diamond.
Gray skies,
Gray skies.
weep tears,
Weep tears.
weep tears
Weep tears.
of mercy,
Of mercy.
nourishing
Nourishing
the earth.
the earth.
Waterfalls
Waterfalls.
swill,
Will
displaying
display
Allah's
Allah's
majestic power.
majestic power.
Sound,
Sound.
pitter patter,
Peter Peter.
pitter patter
Peter Peter.
on foottops,
On rooftops.
a soothing melody.
A soothing melody.
Raindrops
Raindrops.
symphonize,
Sympathize.
drumming
Drumming
on the ground.
on the ground.
Thunder
Thunder.
rumbles,
Rumble.
proclaiming
Proclaiming
Allah's
Allah's
mighty voice.
mighty voice.
Clean air,
Clean air.
wash pure
Wash pure
by rain's
by rain.
cleansing touch.
Cleansing touch.
Taste,
Taste.
fresh rain,
Fresh rain.
water,
Water.
pure and clean.
Pure and clean.
Rain wash,
Rain wash.
fruits
Fruits
and veggies
which is
bursting
bursting
with flavor.
with flavor.
Rain subtle
Rain subtle
hint
hint
of minerals
of minerals
nourishing
nourishing
growth.
growth.
Today our topic is rain. The topic is rain. Raindrops glisten on leaves and flowers like a diamond. Gray skies weep tears of mercy, nourishing the earth. Waterfalls swill, displaying Allah's majestic power. Sound, pitter patter on foottops, a soothing melody. Rain drops symphonize, drumming on the ground. Thunder rumbles, proclaiming Allah's mighty voice. Clean air, wash pure by rain's cleansing touch. Taste, fresh rainwater, pure and clean. Rain wash fruits and veggies bursting with flavor. Rain subtle hint of minerals nourishing growth. Thanks indeed for joining us.